Hello. I'll do that tonight. Just lay it on my bed. No, I have to get a shower and get ready for my doctor's appointment. Oh yeah, she's at work, so I told her I might be late picking her up. No, I already went for my walk. I'm done. No. We just had a cheese quesadilla. That's what we had. I had cooked chicken, raw chicken.
in the Torah calls Jesus. Oh, it never gets home. And so when people say things like, well, you must be forgiven, you also must repent every second. No, you couldn't do anything to save yourself, you want to keep yourself safe.
Yeah, you can't keep yourself safe because you couldn't get yourself saved.
I died today and speaking for the word, he said, why should I let you into my heaven? I have access because I'm a child of God, a heir of God, the Holy of Jesus. The word of God says that God is not alive. It's done deal. Yeah. Do I want to be disciple? Want to spiritual? Absolutely. Want to honor God with my life?
I can see if I have any money.
We're talking about salvation here, and people are trying to make it something to add to it. Or they'll say, you must be word baptized. Or you must be word baptized and speaking tongues. Several people are concerned. They're sending me videos. I'm not watching them. I don't have time. Of a young man who seems like he's on fire for God, and he's probably passionate, and he's teaching that you must be word baptized and speaking tongues. That's part of a holiness movement or UPC. That is an error. That is a false gospel. That is a false gospel. So well-meaning as they are, as emotional as they may seem, it's not about emotion. It's not.
I mean, there's DoorDash and things like that. If you want Taco Bell, see if DoorDash will deliver. No, you decide first. Because if you sign up for DoorDash and you've never signed up before, you might get a free one-time delivery. Yeah, when I say DoorDash, that's what I mean too. They're all the same to me. I just see who delivers.
And so people are getting called out to the mind, the heart. The heart is simply that left, that inner man, where the mind, the will, the heart, and understanding is when you come into the union of God.
Sure.
Stop.
Okay.
Focus on it.
Don't touch his cell phone charger plug. I'm not even touching it. Don't touch it. He's like, it's all twisted, it's gonna break, this was expensive, I bought it in Buford, blah, 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 which he did, and it's his. So don't touch it. I want all of us not to touch or eat anybody else's stuff.
I don't say atheist, but agnostic, I'll say. His family was Muslim, so he went from atheist or agnostic to Islam, but he was seeking for truth, and he kept seeking for truth, and he found the truth. Jesus, Son of God, God's Son, sheds precious blood for his sins. Died, was buried, and was buried in ocean dead. He understood the voice of God. He received that knowledge, as he seeked for truth, he prayed for truth, he revealed to him, and then, with his mind, his will, his heart, his understanding, his inner man, he came into agreement with that truth. He believed, he actually believed. It wasn't just a matter of hearing the gospel, he believed it. He trusted it. The finished work of Jesus, and he was one day, and that brother traveled, he wanted that.